Welcome back to Cinema Space 4K. Today we have a special treat in our store for you as we unbox and review the Edifier P180 Plus wired earphones. Get ready for an adventure in sound. Let's start by taking a look at the box. It's a compact package with a sleek photo of the earphones on the front. Just by looking at it, you can feel the excitement building up. Flipping the box to the right side, we find some technical specifications. We got a frequency range of 20 to 20,000 Hz and an impedance of 32 ohms. But let me tell you a little secret, my friends. These numbers don't define the sound of these earphones. The real magic lies in the sound experience, not just the specs. Turning the box to the back, we uncover a treasure trove of features and specifications. One standout detail is the impressive 14.2mm driver size. That's right, folks. We are talking about some serious audio firepower here. To put it into perspective, even my beloved Sony X255AP, which costs twice as much, was a smaller 12mm driver. Now it's time for the grand reveal. Opening up the box, we unveil the star of the show, the Edifier P180 Plus wired earphones. Let's give them the spotlight they deserve. Along with the earphones, we have an important safety information paper. Here it is, the small information paper. This little guide shows the info about each part of the earphone and a couple of info about accompanying smartphone. Now let's take the earphones out. Feast your eyes on the 3.5mm connector. It's a little reminder that some companies still believe in the power of the good old headphone jack. Let's take a moment to appreciate that, shall we? No need to worry about durability and the hassle of charging another device. Now let's shift our attention to the inline remote. Isn't it sleek? This slim cylindrical design is a breath of fresh air. It features a multi-purpose main button along with two volume control buttons, while proudly displaying the Edifier branding. Say goodbye to those clunky rectangular remotes, my friends. This is elegance and functionality combined. And finally, let's focus on the earbuds themselves. They have a classic non-in-ear design, reminiscent of Apple earbuds. Before we dive into the review, let me share a little story with you. I was initially drawn to the Apple earbuds, but then I discovered something perplexing. Can you believe that the 3.5mm version was priced higher than the Lightning version? Considering the fact that Lightning connector is more complex and houses a digital to analog chip and accompanying circuitry. Apple thinks everyone can be fooled like their foolish fans. In my quest for quality, I turned to Edifier, a reputable manufacturer that knows how to deliver top-notch audio experiences. Let's start with the looks. They are stunning. These earphones have an elegant appeal. The sleek design exerts sophistication and style, but I have to warn you, my friends, the white color and soft rubber construction may require a little extra care to keep them looking pristine. A small price to pay for such beauty. Now let's talk about fit and comfort. These earphones nestle perfectly in my ears, creating a snug and secure fit. The best part? Since they are not of the in-ear type, there is no need of constantly adjusting them. It's pure bliss. Initially, I experienced a slight discomfort. That's completely normal when using these earphones for the first time. With continued use, they become even more comfortable, adapting to your ears like a custom-made accessory. Now let's talk about the inbuilt microphone. The sound quality it delivers is pretty good. Of course, it did not match the level of my Galaxy S20's microphone, but it holds its own. To give you an idea, I have recorded a raw sample without any post-processing, such as noise reduction. Take a listen. I'm recording this voice from the microphone of Edifier P180 Plus, and the earphones are plugged into my ears, so the microphone is very near to my mouth. I think this earphone has good quality microphone. Moving on to the most crucial aspect, the sound quality. Considering the price point, which was 799 rupees on Amazon, these earphones deliver a good sound experience. The bass reproduction is solid, striking a balance without overpowering. The vocals come through crystal clear, and the treble reproduction is impressive. When it comes to instrument separation, it's good, though not mind-blowing. Now, I must emphasize that I'm comparing these earphones to my Sony X255AP, which costs twice as much and belongs to the in-ear type category. As a reference, I invite you to listen to a short sound sample. When I take a breath It's important to note that these earphones don't offer active or noticeable passive noise cancellation due to their non-in-ear design. Some external noise may seep in. However, they compensate for this with excellent loudness. In fact, they are among the loudest earphones I have ever listened to. And that wraps up my review of the Edifier P180 Plus wired earphones. With a stylish appearance, comfort fit, decent microphone quality, and impressive sound performance for the price, these earphones are certainly worth considering. Thank you for joining us today on CinemaSpace 4K. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy listening.